What's up people, what's up viewers, my name is your Chin and this is the YP Verified YouTube channel. It is very important for you to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Now people, viewers, it is said by the police that this man raped two teenagers under the age of 16, you understand. He raped one in May and raped one in June. And for the both of the teen them when rape, I know him alone do it. Him and him friend them, you understand. Take turn and have sex with the little girl. But here, him she know, so we can understand when him alone she can identify for now. But now, people, viewers, the question is, who is to be blamed for the sexual misconduct of these teens, you understand? Who is to be blamed? In my eyes, parents are widely responsible for these things, but who for pay the consequences? Now most the man them rape the little girl, the two little girl them, and most them. But me gonna explain in a moment why me say parents are widely responsible. And me saying parents doesn't mean that me I blame them. We just a try to show the parents themselves the need to do more for the children. You understand? When you feel like you know do everything, but there is more to be done. Anyway, I'm gonna read the article. Remember, it is very important to like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Spanish town cabbie charged with the rape of two 14-year-old girls. The police intend catching or encouraging women and girls who have been victims of rape to come forward. The appeal comes as the police say they have charged a taxi operator for raping two 14-year-old girls on separate occasions. Charged with rape and having sexual intercourse with a person under 16 years is Kevon Chisholm, otherwise called Khago, of Young Street in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The police report that between May and June 2022, Chisholm met the girls separately on different occasions and took them to a house on Welch Avenue in Garden Pen in the parish, where he, along with friends, took turns and raped them. A report was made to the police and Chisholm was subsequently arrested. He was charged after being pointed out by the teens during an identification parade. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is reminding members of the public that sex crimes are serious offences and that the police will leave no stone unturned in bringing perpetrators to justice. Now, people, viewers, you don't realize that everyone a ton problem, crime, everyone a ton, because them one the police want about the robot taxi them, the white plate them, you understand, because we don't know who drive them. But yet still, taxi operators, you understand, are rape people. So we're back at square one. Taxi not safe, nor robot taxi. Now pre this, not the start of the video, me say parents are widely responsible. Yeah, is it for the sexual misconduct of teenagers. And I'm going to give an example of why I say parents are widely responsible. You understand? Them not no time for them youth. Alright, pray this. You send a youth to school. But do you know why them a go school? Them a go school for the fact that them see everybody else a go school. So them see it normal if go school. Or at least most of them life, them see it normal for go school. Not every pitney, no. Most pitney. Most pitney no understand why them a go school. Them know why, no, cause we tell them, you know, to get an education, but give them youth the option to choose between going school or don't go school and see what them a go choose. Most of them, not all of them. Most of them. And me say that if we say this, we send them a school and thing, and them a go and we think say, them understand why them a go school. No, them not understand, them just go because it's normal. So when them go school because it's normal, every youth a go school, so them supposed to go school, so it's normal. So when them go to school and say every youth, every other picnic have a man, every girl have a man, and every boy have a girlfriend, that is normal to them too. So them are going to have to. I remember when I say it's not every children, but most of them. Now, if you sit down with your youth and make them understand why they're not supposed to have a boyfriend, you understand? You sit down and reason with them, not one time, not two times. Occasionally, throughout them childhood, you reason with them and make them understand why. You will have a better chance of them making it through school and get most, if not all of them, forget successfully. All of the right things them, not the wrong things them. Most parents not sit down with them youth and reason with them boyfriend and girlfriend thing. Most parents not do that. And I know enough of our listen where parents can testify to that to say you are true. And sitting down with them is different from when you find out say them have a boyfriend or them go around this to a boy or this and that and you cuss them and say you're too young for man. That is not sitting down with them. You understand? You sit down with them and reason with them, the two on the voice by the same tone for 1/2 an hour or 1 hour. That is reasoning with the youth. When you are cussed them and talk when you're too young for man and when you do with boyfriend, that's not a reason you reason with the youth. You insult the youth them because no for no cuss bad word when they not talk. I want to know say bad word offend people. And all of what me I say come down to them see it normal to have a boyfriend. So if them not get a boyfriend at school or a boy at school, look them with them like. And a taxi man look them and them see it's okay. Them a go, let it be. I mean now say it is okay, but it a happen. And in another case, yeah, the wrong taxi man, them two little girl like a there with, them get raped. Gangbang. But what if she never speak up? Parents wouldn't know nothing. The brother you would have still, or not she. What if them never speak up? Parents wouldn't know nothing. Police wouldn't know nothing. The taxi man would have still left on the road run taxi and rape more teenagers. It is good that the teens come forward and we as parents need to find ways to make our kids or children them feel comfortable for come to with them issues and them problems, you understand? If them not feel comfortable for come to we with them issues and them problem, them are go to other people. Them friends them at school can't help them, or other people are going to take advantage of them. My name is girlsThe and this is the YP Verified YouTube channel. Remember, it is very important for like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Big up on yourself. This person is missing. Donnelly